Good morning and welcome to Monday Morning Coffee. So I have coffee and I hope you do too. So I hope you all had a great weekend. I had an okay weekend. Meaning I didn't do a whole lot. But, it is what it is. I did do a lot of work in my craft room this week and this weekend. So yeah, I did get a chance to run out to the store to get some essential things and some things that I really needed that I haven't been able to find. So I'm really excited to tell you that tomorrow I have a small Dollar Tree haul. It's mostly essentials, but there's a couple of new things in there that I found that I was just thrilled to find and could not wait to share it with you. And one of those things I am using now, but I'm not going to tell you what it is. And then later on today, of course, you already know I had my morning devotional out first. Later on today, I have a small little video for you. It's a project share that I did. It was something that I finished up that was supposed to have been done last June 2019. But for whatever reason, it did not get done. And I think, honestly, it was meant to be. Because this was a project that is really poignant for this time and place where we are and what is going on with the world. And you will understand more when you see the video. So please make sure you come back here in just a little bit to see that video. It'll be out shortly. So like I said, tomorrow I have a small little Dollar Tree haul. And I was really excited about that. On Wednesday, I have a little tutorial that I'm going to be doing with you. It's something that I have been using on a regular basis. And then it ran out. And then I just always throw the stuff away. And I thought, I'm going to do something with this. I am not going to throw it away. And so I came up with a cute little idea, and I can't wait to share that with you. And then Thursday, of course, we'll have Thursday night live, barring no power outages, barring no internet outages. And that's what happened last week. So I apologize for not being able to have that last week. But my internet just had not been stable enough. It was all over the place. So, yeah, I'm going to be here. It'll be between 7:15 and 7:30. Of course, I'll post earlier today to let you know exactly what time that will be. But I need you to do me a favor. I need you to list below in the comment section things that you would like to see me do on Thursday Night Live. Now, I've already got a project picked out for this week, but if you would like to tell me what you would like to see on Thursday Night Live, something you'd like to see me do. And I'm pretty sure I got stuff here to do it. It was a poignant moment for me. I knew I had a lot of stash, okay? Let's face it. Last several years, I have Dollar Treed it up. I love Dollar Tree, okay? I really do. But there comes to a point that you realize you just have way too much stuff. And I was going to donate some of it to some centers and things like that. And I still may do that, pull some things aside. But I can't donate anything right now. I have a whole side of my living room wall over here taken up of bins full of stuff to get rid of. And I can't donate it right now. And it's just sitting there in the way. But I am going to do some destashes of some things. And some things are pretty cool things. And I can't believe I'm going to get rid of them. But I have got to get my craft stuff down to a manageable level. It is not manageable right now. And I know a lot of us are that way. You buy something because it's just adorable and you're going to use it and you're going to have it. I am finding stuff stashed for 2-3 years ago that I was hoarding because it was just so pretty I couldn't dare use it. That's got to stop. So I am making a conscious effort. I am not buying anything except for maybe things that are really essential like glue, ink, that kind of thing. Blades for my cutting machine once in a while, that kind of stuff. But as far as paper and all that kind of stuff, I'm not buying anything else. With that being said, though, I was contacted by a couple of online stores. Finally, everybody gets contacted but me to try stuff out. But anyway, A couple of stores, I'm waiting for their products to come in. And I contacted one store myself because Rosa, from Rosa Kelly, her channel, she was reviewing some papers and things that she got. And please forgive me, I can't even remember the shop name now, y'all. It's terrible. I hope they don't watch this video. But I contacted them myself to see, what it was all about. Now, I did purchase this because, well, I'll let you know why I purchased it when it comes in. I don't know how long it's going to take to come in. It is a U.S.-based company, but with the mail and everything, I don't know. But let's just say this way. I purchased a whole set of something with like 1,000,000 pieces or whatever, less than $15. And I was just completely blown away. So thank you, Rosa Kelly, for that, getting me in trouble. And then I was approached by finally somebody from In Love Arts. And when that's whatever they're sending me comes in, I'll be, of course, showing that with you, sharing that with you, and sharing some little projects, whatever it may be. So yeah, that's it for that. Now tomorrow, on Friday, Lord have mercy, today's Monday. Friday, I will be having my hashtag Smash That Small Paper Bag collab up at 10 a.m. along with the rest of everybody. This was a collaboration that is hosted by Deb Houck, and it runs the whole year long. So I will be doing that on Friday, and I'm making some headway through some small paper pads, and so I'm really happy about that. So that is pretty much what's going on this week. Don't forget about my Kido channel. It's hashtag my Kido and then Journey. Hashtag and my and Kido are all together, and then Journey is separate. Had to do it that way because somebody else had the other. Anyway, I have new recipes. I have a bunch of new recipes coming out over there. I also have meal planning over there this week. And I'm really excited about the recipes coming out this week, because if you're not on keto, you still would enjoy these recipes. I mean, basically, I like to take good food recipes and make them keto adaptable. And I've done that to quite a lot of recipes. And this week, I've also done that to a couple more recipes. So I hope that you will go check those out. I'll link my channel down below in the description box, so you can go check that out. And I'm really trying to grow that channel, guys. Please help me by going over to subscribe, or sharing it, whatever you can do. I would really appreciate it. And thank you again for the support of this channel. Speaking of which, if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed yet, why not? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button over there, and don't forget to tap the bell so you can be notified, hopefully, every time I upload a new video. I'm excited about this week, and everything's already been filmed. I'm so happy, and except for Thursday Night Live, and let's just keep our fingers crossed that the power stays on, and the cable stays on, the internet stays on, and we don't have any bad storms this week to knock them out. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me this morning. I hope you all have a wonderful week, and I can't wait to see you again tomorrow. Bye.